Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Reza, founder of the optimizationcity.com. In this field, we answer this question: what is minimum spanning tree problem? Let's move on.
The minimum spanning tree involves connecting the different nodes in the network in such a way that the shortest distance is established. The connection between nodes are not directional. Here, there are some examples of how this problem can be applied in the real world. In first one, the company need to minimize the amount of electric cable used to provide electricity to various points in the building using the minimum spanning tree. The second one, the Ministry of Road is seeking the most efficient way to connect the village in the same region, minimizing the list of the connecting paths. And the last one, this Water and Sewage Department aim to create water supply network in a town under construction using the shortest possible length of pipe here. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are any question and need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us by email or by form by filling the contact form in our website, which is www.optimizationcity.com. Thank you so much and goodbye for now.